Hey Wolverines, Miss Helen Brandt here for our Tuesday announcements. Today is Tuesday, October 6th. And for announcements today, we're actually doing our October PBIS assembly. So you're going to be hearing from some different people. You're going to hear us with song and the chant, just like if we were together. So for the month of October, we're going to be focusing on respect. Respect means that you're thinking about how other people are feeling, and you're choosing words and actions that wouldn't hurt anybody else's feelings. When we think about respect, sometimes people call it the golden rule. What that means is you treat other people the way that you want to be treated yourself. So if we look at our Wolverine way, we can look at what respect looks like when we are virtual. Right? That means we're learning from home. We're going to be using our listening rules. Remember these? Eyes are watching, ears are listening, voice is quiet, body calm. Those are going to help us be good learners at home. We're going to stay on topic of what our teacher is talking about, and we're going to be keeping an open mind and listening to each other's ideas. You get to learn a lot from your classmates. We need to make sure to listen to what everybody is saying. We can also think about in our classrooms. It's important to show respect by listening to your teacher and being a friend. Remember, like, we want people to feel good around us. And when we show people respect, that means we treat them in a way that we would want to be treated, that they feel good. So we are going to be practicing respect all month long and hopefully be ending with a celebration at the end of October. Next up is our school song. We're taking it back to the spring with Mr. Geisel. So please join in and sing along.
Ready, go. Be respectful and responsible. Always try hard. Here at West Middleton, make your choices. Be a learner, show your pride. Here at West Middleton, I'm proud to be a Wolverine. It's a safe place for you and me. We learn to play the Wolverine way. I'm glad to say I'm from West Middleton. Guitars. Keep going. Ready? Get ready, play. I'm proud to be a Wolverine. It's a safe place for you and me. We learn to play the Wolverine way. I'm proud to say I'm from West Middleton. Finale.
All right, Wolverines, we are going to end our assembly with the Wolverine Chant. Miss Anderson's going to walk us through the Wolverine Chant one more time so that hopefully by November we can get some groups of students to do the chant for us. Enjoy.
Hi Wolverines, it's Mrs. Anderson. I'm here today to teach you the Wolverine Chant. And the cool thing about the Wolverine Chant is you can do it anywhere. I'm actually in my kitchen right now. So I'm going to do it one time through and show you with the motions and the words, and then I'll give you a chance to join me. All right, so here it goes. I am safe, yes I am. I'm responsible, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm a learner, yes I am. I'm a Wolverine who follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am. All right, it's your turn. Stand up wherever you are. Don't worry about it. And on the count of 3, it's I am safe, I am responsible, I'm respectful, and I'm a learner. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. I am safe, yes I am. I'm responsible, yes I am. I'm respectful, yes I am. I'm a learner, yes I am. I'm a Wolverine who follows the Wolverine way. Yes, I am. Great job, Wolverines. I can't wait to hear you doing the Wolverine chant.
All right, Wolverines, that's it for our Tuesday announcements and our October PBS Assembly. If you would like, you can stand up where you are and join in with the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you for joining me for our announcements. Remember, you matter, you are loved, and we are better together. Bye, Wolverines.